All right, our Unit 2 study guide, question 1, deals a little bit more with definitions, so I will leave you to answer that based on definitions that you have in your notes for the difference between equations and inequalities. We're going to focus more on solving today. So question 2 says to graph the inequality m is greater than 1. So if I have 0, 1, 2, 3, greater than sign means that it does not include 1 as a included value. So I have an open circle. However, any value larger than 1, in other words, moving in the right direction from 1, is an included value. So I would shade to the right of my positive 1 on the number line. Number 3, show and describe the steps needed to solve negative x over 3.2 is equal to 2.1. Now for this problem I would go ahead and multiply both sides of my equation by 3.2. What I do to the left side, I have to do to the right side, so 3.2. Negative 3.2, because I also want to remove this negative sign here. Negative 3.2 over negative 3.2 is going to give me 1, or just x by itself. And now I need to determine 2.1 times 3.2. Just as a refresher on how to multiply decimals, 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. Bring down your 0. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. Add up your values. 2, 7, 6. My original problem had 2 decimal places between the two numbers I'm multiplying together, so I move over 2 decimal places. My solution is 6.72. I multiplied a positive and a negative term together, so my solution should be negative. So x equals negative 6.72. Since the directions say to describe the steps, you should have something over here in words. Number 1 would be something like multiply both sides of the equation by negative 3.2. Step 2. Simplify the left side of the expression or equation. Negative 3.2 divided by negative 3.2 gives me x by itself. Step 3 would be something like multiply the right side of the equation. 2.1 times negative 3.2 equals negative 6.72. Step 4, your solution is x equals negative 6.72. Excuse me. Question number 4 says to write an inequality shown by the graph. Well, we have an open circle which appears to be right smack in the middle between 1 and 2. So that value is 1.5. And all of the included terms are items greater than 1.5. So x is any number that is greater than 1.5.